Greetings, pirates. So I want to show you the new features in the new version 0.41.9. Let's start with the fact that when you send coins, if you took a screenshot, you could accidentally reveal your balance, how many coins you had in auto hide mode. We will add the same feature in the next version for exchanges because the balance is currently displayed here, which is not good. The next update in this application concerns the ZEC coin. The first thing we improved works correctly. The max button. We check how many coins are needed to make a transaction. The thing is, ZEC pays for so-called logical actions. And to calculate this value, you need to try to send the maximum amount. We created a solution that calculates how much ZEC needs to be sent to the donation address. We only check the fee based on this value. We calculate this amount. Your ZEC is not sent to the donation address, but we use the address because we don't know which address you have entered. Therefore, we must use some valid address. So we use the donation address for the calculation. Therefore, if you look at the source code, don't be surprised why the proposal is used for the donation address. Next, we reworked the camera function for Zcash. The fact is that some QR codes did not contain the Zcash2 prefix. And there was the address, a question mark, and the amount. As a result, when scanning codes, when you did it on the main screen, the program didn't understand which currency you wanted to send. And when you scanned directly in the address, it was inserted along with the amount. Now, we obtain this value from the codes, and the amount from the amount field is placed in the amount field. The address is placed directly in the address field. This concerns the innovations and changes in the Zcash application. Next, we refined the function. There are complaints that on some devices, under certain circumstances, the wallet does not appear upon login. Therefore, at the very bottom, there is necessary payment information that will need to be provided to us, and we will try to understand in which part of the code the problem of reading your wallet occurs when you have a wallet. This issue resets. I want to remind once again, it appears for some users, not all. When you enter the wallet, you do not see your wallet. You have a button to create. Therefore, we are trying to solve this problem remotely, meaning we are collecting as much debugging information as possible to fix it in future releases. Also, thanks to the feature I showed you in the settings, under About App, in Privacy, there is a so-called data sending feature. We found two issues. One issue was related to the Zcash library, which has been fixed, and the second issue was discovered with the TON network. We have also fixed this. This is a small update to our application. This is version 0.41.9. It is already available on Google Play. Also, if Google Play is not available to you, you can download this application directly from GitHub. But I recommend using Google Play because the app checks for the availability of new versions, notifications, and so on. We continue to improve our wallet, but you can subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget that staking Casanta currently yields 46% annually. Pirate offers 10% annually. By purchasing our coins, you support our product, and the exchange rate of Pirate Cash and Casanta coins is feedback from the community. To understand if we are doing things right, also don't forget, what is the donation function? You can donate a certain number of coins directly to our address. This will also help support our project because our project is a non-profit organization. We are developing thanks to the foundation. Goodbye, everyone.